Listen to my words, my children. They want you weak and poor, but I will make you king. I am Mr. Yuge. I don't play the game. I create the game and I publish it. Follow me, and you will never be poor again. The real lesson begins now. Look closely. Person wake up. Person check phone. Person see news. Breaking. War starts in Middle East. Person think, oh no, my money. Person panic. Person not alone. Millions of persons panic same time. But here thing, most person panic about wrong. Thing person worry about stock market. Person worry about Bitcoin, but person forget. Person have cash. Cash sitting in bank. Cash person think is safe. Person is wrong, person very wrong. Today we talk about what really happens to your money when world goes boom, not stock market crash, not crypto dump. We talk about thing nobody talks about. We talk about your actual dollar bills sitting in your wallet, your savings account, your mattress. Because when tanks roll, cash does something very strange. Something history shows us again and again and again. Okay? So person have $10,000 in bank account. Person feels safe. Person think, I have $10,000. I am okay. Even if war starts, I have my money. But person not understand what money actually is. Money is just paper with number on it. Paper only worth something because everyone agrees. Paper worth something when war starts. Everyone stops agreeing. Look at history. Person, look at Germany. 1923. Person had 1 million marks in January. Person could buy house in November. Same 1 million marks. Person could buy 1 loaf of bread. 1 loaf person went from house owner to bread buyer in 10 months. Or look at Venezuela. 2016 person had 100,000 bolivars. Person was middle class. 2018. Same person, same 100,000 bolivars person could not buy toilet paper. Person literally could not wipe butt with money. Person had to wipe butt with the money because money was worth less than toilet paper. Person say, but that not happen here, that happen in other countries, weak countries. Person very, very wrong. Here, what actually happens when big war starts? Government needs money. Government needs lots of money. Tanks cost money. Bombs cost money. Soldiers cost money. Feeding soldiers cost money. Where government get this money? Government cannot just ask nicely. Government does 3 things. Thing 1, government raises taxes, but war costs too much taxes, not enough taxes, too slow. Thing 2, government borrows money. Government sells bonds, but bonds also not enough, because who wants to lend money to country that might lose war? Person not stupid. Thing 3, and here the big one, government prints money. Government goes brrrr with money printer. When Germany fought World War I, Germany printed money to pay for war. When war ended, Germany kept printing to pay war debts. Person had wheelbarrows full of cash, just to buy bread. Person used money as wallpaper, because wallpaper was more expensive than money United States did. Same thing. Vietnam War cost $168 billion. Where money come from money printer, go brrrr. Dollar lost 86% of value. During Vietnam War, person saved $1,000. In 1965, person opened account in 1975. Person still had $1,000, but $1,000 only bought $140 worth of stuff. Person worked hard, person saved money, person lost 86% of money, not because person was dumb, because government needed to pay for war. Now here thing most finance person not tell you. It not just about government printing money, it about how fast money moves in normal times. Person gets paid, person waits. Person thinks about buying thing, person shops around, person compares prices. Money moves slow in wartime. Person behavior changes completely. Person sees news. Person thinks, oh no, price is going up tomorrow. Person runs to store today. Person buys everything person can buy. Person not waits. Everyone does this same time. Everyone panics. Same time, money that was sitting in bank accounts, money that was moving slow. Suddenly, money moves very, very fast. Economists call this velocity of money. When velocity goes up, prices go up even faster than money printing. Example: Zimbabwe, 2008 person woke up, bread cost 1 billion. Zimbabwe, dollars, person went to work. Person came home, same bread cost 10 billion Zimbabwe dollars, same day, same bread. Price went up 10 times in 8 hours. Why? Because everyone spent money immediately. Nobody wanted to hold cash, because cash was losing value every hour, every minute, every second. Person say, but I keep my money in bank account. Bank account is safe. Bank account is not safe. Bank account is number on screen. Number changes when purchasing power dies. Okay. So if cash becomes toilet paper, what person does? Person cannot just give up. Person has to survive. Person has to protect family. Hear what history shows us. Again and again during World War II, smart person in Europe did not hold cash. Smart person bought gold. Smart person bought silver. Smart person bought land. Smart person bought things that have real value, not paper value. Person who held French francs lost everything. Person who held Reichsmarks lost everything. Person who held lira lost everything. But person who bought 1 ounce of gold in 1939 for $35. Person sold same ounce in 1946 for $35. Wait, person say same price. Person not make money. But here, the trick: bread cost 10 cents in 1939. Bread cost 15 cents in 1946. Person with cash lost 50% of bread buying power. Person with gold lost 0% of bread buying power. Gold not make person rich. Gold kept person from becoming poor. Same pattern. Every war. World War I, gold protects person. Vietnam War, gold protects person. Gulf War, gold protects person. Ukraine War, right now gold going up, up, up. Person say, okay, so I buy gold. I am safe now. Not so fast. Person also needs things person can actually use. Hear what person actually does when person sees war coming. Person not panics. Person acts. Step 1. Person keeps only small cash for emergencies, maybe $1,000, maybe $2,000, enough for few weeks, not more, because cash is melting. Ice cream, cash loses value every day. Step 2. Person converts rest to hard assets. Person buys gold. Person buys silver. Person buys things that cannot be printed. Person buys things that have value in every country, in every war, in every crisis. Step 3. Person buys skills. Person learns how to fix things. Person learns how to grow food. Person learns valuable skills, because when money fails, skills still have value. Person can trade skills for food, for shelter, for safety. Step 4. Person builds community. Person makes friends. Person helps neighbors. Because when system crashes, person who has community survives. Person who is alone does not survive. Person say, this sounds extreme, this sounds crazy. Person forgets history. Person forgets that this happened before this happening, right now in different countries. Person just not paying attention. So what happens to your cash when World War III starts? Your cash becomes souvenir. Your cash becomes historical artifact. Your cash becomes thing your grandchildren find in attic and ask, Grandpa, what is this worthless paper? But person who prepares today, person who understands money is just agreement, person who converts paper into real value, person survives, person thrives, person protects. Family, war is coming, war is always coming. Question is not if, question is when. Question is, are you ready? Person watching this video. Person is smarter than average person. Person now knows what most persons never learn. Person knows cash is not king. Cash is peasant. Hard assets are king. Skills are king. Community is king. Now person must act before tanks roll, before missiles fly, before your money becomes wallpaper, because by then it too late. Person is all of us. Prepare now, cry later, or cry now, prepare. Never your move.